Welcome to another top 5. Hello guys, welcome to another perfect niche of the week. So in this video I'm going to show you one niche that is doing quite well, and I think you should get on it as soon as possible. But before we get into that, we have to first of all analyze the niche. How well is it doing? Is it worth getting into it? So let's get right into it. So the BSR for this book is 674, and estimated sales per month is 2000, estimated sales per day 193. So we're gonna go to our favorite royalty calculator. I already filled in the page count prior to making the video, but I'm gonna show you where I got it from. It's a black and white book, and it's paperback. So the list price is $19.83. It's £14.95. So I converted that to dollars, and we hit calculate. So approximately, they are saying that the royalty is $9. Wow. um it's actually in a German marketplace, so I'm going to show you, but let's get right into looking at this niche, finding out everything about the niche, and even where to get your interior from. Let's go. So guys, here is the niche I was talking about. I found it using Flying Research. You guys know that Flying Research is my go-to tool when it has to do with research either for KDP or research for print on demand is my go-to tool. So for today I'm using it for for KDP, and as you can see right here, it's one of the books that are doing quite well, more than 1000 sales. So here is it again. And what is this book all about? This book is all about, actually it's in the German marketplace, as you can see. So I was a little bit confused about the what the title was saying. All I knew was that it is doing well, but I didn't know what the book was all about. So I did copy and paste on Google Translate, and it says it's 200 crazy facts for kids. So cool general knowledge for smart kids, 200 facts, jokes, gifts, and children's book. Actually, this is a volume 6. So on Amazon, it brought me to this page. It says it's number one bestseller in dental assisting. That was kind of funny. Anyway, so here's the book, and I took a look inside. Let's take a look inside, see how it's doing. So 200 facts for kids. So it's a black and white book, as you can see. And so my number one tip to get more sales, if you are doing a book that can be put in the Kindle marketplace, is to put it under a series. If your book is doing quite well and you're getting sales, you see this here, book 5 for 5. It shows that there are other books in the series. So what this book is, what this does is, when you put your book in a series, when you come to the page of that book, you see other books in that series. So this is like marketing other books in that same series, and this only happens in the Kindle marketplace. And this is my number one tip for you guys. If you're making, I will generally recommend that you make books that you can also make as Kindle books that can be available in the Kindle Limited platform. Because when you make series, when we put the books in a series, you have them here lined up. So maybe someone didn't know that you had other books. Now they know that you have other books. And if they love your first book, they'll obviously or likely love the other books. So this is how you can be able to create passive income for all your books in this series. And if one book is doing quite well for you, make more books in that series. It should make it into a series and make more books. So that's just my number one tip for you. So I was planning to do a video talking about just tips on how to get more sales. So you can look forward to that video, because making sales on KDP, some people say, oh, is saturated. KDP is saturated. Yes, it's saturated, but there are tips that you can do to get more sales. So this is just one tip here. I'm going to give you more tips in another video. So going on with the video. So what we know about this niche is that it's facts for kids. So I did a search on Amazon. I did a search on Google to find out more where I can get interior, like find out more facts about general facts for kids. So I came across these 3 websites, and this is the first website. It's called go2.com. I'm going to leave the links to all these websites if you're interested in checking it out. So there's these tips. The first one says, um, the festive tradition of the Christmas tree dates back thousands of years to the Romans and ancient Egyptians. No word in the dictionary rhymes with the word orange. That was quite it was quite surprising. And the queen has two birthdays. I didn't know that. Um, Apples float on water, obviously. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun. I really didn't know that. A jar of Nutella says every 2.5 seconds. I wouldn't doubt it because I really, really love Nutella, guys. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section below. I love Nutella. So if they're selling Nutella every 2.5 seconds, it wouldn't be surprising because that taste is just awesome. And this one says there are more than 1,000 kinds of bats in the world. I also didn't know that. So this fact is not only good for kids, but it's also good for families. It can also be given as a gift, and it can also be put in the Kindle Direct platform. Because I'm now testing waters in the Kindle Direct publishing platform. I mean Kindle, not just getting myself confused. I said I'm testing waters in the Kindle Unlimited side of Kindle Direct publishing platform, and this kind of book will sell well both for Kindle paperback and hardcover. So that's what I'm doing quite now. Right now, I'm looking for books that I can sell to all the three marketplaces. Or I say marketplaces. That's Kindle, paperback, and hardcovers. So this book will do quite well in on that Kindle because right now some people don't want to have hard copies shipped to them. They just want to purchase and get it immediately. So this book will do quite well. So this one says human body facts for kids. And one thing that I recommend is that don't just copy and paste. Obviously, Amazon will know you got it from online. They have these softwares that can tell where you got them from. So I recommend that you change them into your own words and make it unique for you. So this one says human body facts for kids. It says clocks have not one but four noses. Wow, are you kidding me? I had no idea. Babies are born with blue eyes. Really? Are you sure about that? So space facts. This one is space. As you can see, is divided into space facts, human body facts. What again? So it's divided into several categories. This one, emperor penguins can last 27 minutes underwater. Wow, and can dive as deep as 500 meters. So what is this? Bats, animal facts or animal facts. So as you can see, the facts are really, really interesting. I can read this all day, guys. Just imagine making a book like this. 200 facts this person made. I'm sure they got them from wherever they got them from, but this is the first website. I don't want to waste more time. Let's go to the next website. I'm gonna leave all the links to these websites in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. And this one is 170 fun facts for kids. So if you combine the first one, I think the first one was it 70 facts or so. Obviously it's more than 70. As you can see, there's a good like what, oh, like 75 facts. So 75 facts plus 170, and this other one is 101 facts. So it's already more than 200 facts. So if somebody has a book that has 200 facts, you can go ahead and make a book with like 250 facts or 300 facts if you can. So you can have more leverage over the person who has a lower number. So if I were the one doing purchasing and I discovered that this book has more facts almost at the same price, I'll likely purchase the book with more facts. So 170 facts. Let's see. It says, did you know there are nearly 2,000 thunderstorms on Earth every minute? Really? I have no idea. Porcupines can float. Hippopotamus can run faster than a man. Really? Octopuses have blue blood and 9 brains. I knew about the blue blood, but I didn't know about the 9 brains. What else? Gorillas burp when they are happy. Really? Hippopotamus produce pink milk. Wow. Anyway, guys, so this website is called Kid Pillar. Then the next website is called mommypoppins.com. Mommypoppins.com. Okay, so the next facts. I don't want to read everything. I don't want to make the video too long. I just want to let you guys know that you can find inspiration from online and you can make your own unique books and you can sell them on Amazon, sell them on Kindle, sell them on as paperbacks, sell them as hardcovers, making it available. If you can even read them as audiobooks, that would be awesome. Because some people nowadays don't have time to read. Like if that's why I like watching videos, because I can be or even listening to videos, because I can be getting more information without looking at the screen. So if you can make it into audiobooks, that would be awesome. I don't think I saw audiobooks here, so if this person wants to make more money, they can get someone to narrate it, or they can even narrate it themselves, to save cost. So it'll be Kindle, paperback. You see, they didn't add hardcover. So if they added hardcover, maybe those who want it as hardcover can get it as hardcover. Then if you put it as an audiobook too, you see another tab here for audiobook. Those who want to purchase the audio version. So that's just different ways and different tips to make more sales. And let's go look at the last website, then I'll call it a day. So this last one says one facts about animals. There are about 100,000 muscles in an elephant's trunk, but not a single bone. Wow, that's crazy. And you can hear a lion's roar from a distance of 3 miles. Okay. Octopuses have 9 brains. Yes, wait, what? And cows have 4 stomachs. Really? That's unbelievable. Would you rather have multiple brains or stomachs? Let me see. Guys, let me know in the comment section below. Would you rather have multiple brains or stomachs? I think I'll like to have multiple brains so I can reason faster, reason smarter. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section below. So guys, I'll just call it a day. I'll leave the links to these websites if you're interested in checking out. The facts are just awesome, they are funny, so it's really a great niche to focus on. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Premium Man and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.